Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to continue practicing phonology. Okay? The page is the page number 12, spelling lesson number 2. Okay. Writing our words. Step number 1. Listen and pronounce. Then listen and write. Okay? So step number 1, listen and write. Okay? Then step number 2, turn the book upside down. Okay, and listen and write. Okay, pay attention, please.
Lesson 2. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Robe, robe. Chain, chain. Toad, toad. Male, male. Goat, goat. Boat, boat. Train, train. Nail, nail. Snail, snail.
Okay, excellent. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, let me know by email or by platform. Okay, and remember, work on you for you. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.